Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexwebs.com. Guys, first of all, if you have not joined my WhatsApp group, then please join it right now because the link is already provided in the description of the video below. So guys, I am here with a big announcement, and this announcement is especially for the newcomers who are just new to the trading sessions, and who are new to the forex trading and who do not know that how to trade forex. And if you even are a professional trader, then you can also book your coaching appointment with me. So guys, the normal price of the coaching appointment is $700, and you know that very well that I teach on Skype for 3 days. You will prepare 3 days signals with me on Skype, and the normal price is $700. So I have announced a discounted offer right now that the price is reduced to $500, and this offer will expire on 3rd of August 2020. So guys, hurry up, book your coaching sessions today, and this will be served on the first come basis. And if you are looking to make good profits from the forex market, and if you are working really hard but still not able to make money from the forex market, then guys, my sessions are quite helpful, and these will give you a lot of opportunity to make money from the market. So if you join our WhatsApp group, then you will be able to find a lot of stuff here where how the traders have made the money in the previous days. So you can watch from the previous history. So guys, also join the WhatsApp group so that you can understand. Also, I sometimes give free signal in my WhatsApp group as well. So guys, this video is made for the promotion that this is for the new and even experienced traders who do not have the knowledge right now to trick. They do not have the trick right now that how to trade the forex market in a right way. So guys, this offer will expire on 3rd of August. So I'm repeating that after 3rd of August, if anyone will take the signal tricks coaching, then it will cost him $700. But however, if you book your appointment till 3rd of August 2020, then the price will stay $500. That's a discounted price. So you know that this is the kind of a promotion here. So guys, make sure that you should take the best advantage from that promotion. So guys, hurry up, book your sessions today, and you can email me on info@200forexwebs.com. Let me show you. That's my email. That's the email ID, info@200forexwebs.com, or you can contact me on WhatsApp as well. The description of the WhatsApp link is provided the link of the WhatsApp group is provided in the description of this video below. So guys, hurry up, do not miss that opportunity, and learn and trade forex. Thank you very much for watching this video.